Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the NASCAR Adventure Force Crash Racers figure 8 track set, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's see what the box comes with. All right, and just to take a quick look at the box. So, back of the box really just shows the track itself, figure 8 track, the 2 vehicles it comes with. I will go ahead and show you an up-close version of the vehicles. I also actually bought 2 other sets of the same thing. The reason that we bought these guys is we bought these for the tracks themselves. I do plan on building a racetrack for some of my Diecast models, so I will be doing some unboxes for those. So I wanted to do some comparison between some Matchbox vehicles. So we have some different ones here. We also have some Hot Wheels. So got 3 single ones and a pack as well. This is a Ford Mustang pack, so I will go ahead and do an unboxing on these as well. I also bought 2 of these 4-foot long track builder sets. So I'm gonna slowly be building up a track and testing out some vehicles and doing some unboxings. So I hope you guys in the Diecast community like this type of content. So back to the main event, just taking a quick look at the box. Over 16 feet of double wide track, and we have 3 of those. So that'll be, let's see here. So 2 of them is 36 plus another 16 feet, 46, 52 feet of track that I will have. All right, so 40 pieces. Once again, take a look at the front of the box. Crash set. And now let's get into it. So what do we have here? Okay, so these are the turns. These are pretty nice. So these will fit 2 vehicles. That's really what it's meant for, just the 2, which you see right here. We really won't be using these. I'll probably just be getting rid of these. So anybody who's interested in these, most likely I'll just put them for sale on eBay, because I'm not going to be using these vehicles. It's more to build a track for the Diecast vehicles. So these are some nice material. It is a plastic, but it's a nice hard plastic. So tap them together. And let's take a look at the clips and see how well they work. All right, not too bad. Click right in together. And it's a decent size, guys. So I do like this material. Definitely gonna give us a good amount with these 3 sets that I bought. And to go ahead and unclip them, looks like they have a bit of a clip type of design here. I don't want to mess them up. I have my gloves on, so it'll be a little bit more difficult. So I'll take these apart later on. So 1, 2, 3 here, and it's good. 1, 2, 3. So it comes at a total of 6 of this size. Let's see what else it comes with. So these seem to be the car holders, and we can unbox that as well. Take a look at that. Pretty neat. It seems like they come apart here. So kind of just clip those in and just clip right in. I'm going to leave these in the box. Like I said, I'm going to be getting rid of these, so whoever's interested in these, I will keep these in the box. So let's take a look at the first vehicle. Completely plastic, pretty lightweight. Let's take a look at the first vehicle. Crash racers. Okay. Set that aside. And see, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these longer tracks. So the reason that I bought 3 packs of this set is because they do not sell these in single forms. So the only way to get these long formats is buy multiple sets. So in order to build the track that I am imagining, I'm gonna need a ton of these. So I've heard good things about these track racers. The reason these are pretty nice compared to just some plain flat board is they have some of these rivets right here, and that'll help keep some of the tracks in the lane, so there isn't too much spinning around. There will obviously still be some spinning around and crashes going on. That's just normal. It's part of the sport. However, some of these ridges here will just help provide a little bit more stability. And I'll let you know the measurements on these in just a moment. Okay, so it looks like the measurement, one of these, so it's about 19 3/4 inches right there. So very nice. And like I said, you get 4 of them in a pack. 6 of the these small turns, 4 of the straightaways. This is clearly the intersection here. Very nice addition. Nice connectors here. 1 of those. And let's see what else it comes with. Okay. We love the accessories, so let's take a good look at the accessories. I will be keeping these. Okay, and I'm not 100% sure what these are just yet. I think they're clips. I know what these are. For the stickers. So you put one of these stickers to put some advertisements on your track race. So I'll give you an example. These right here, that's what those are. So they just clip right on and you put whatever advertisements you want to put on that. So that'll definitely come in handy. All right, so some accessories, large orange construction barrels, and it looks like you are provided with 6 of these. Very nice. Pretty good quality too, guys. This is a thicker plastic compared to these. So as you can see, the thickness. So these are definitely harder. I'm really squeezing hard on this and this isn't moving. Nice material on the accessories. I do appreciate that. All right, and same on the cones here. We have 6 cones. One strange little thing is this little like bump down here. I wish it was flat, so you could lay them down wherever you want, but maybe that'll come in handy. We will have to see. Worst case scenario, I can just sand them down or cut those down. But nice to know we have 6 cones in one set. All right, so let's see. All right, so these are more of the turns here. This is more of like a twisted turn. So it looks like it's more something like this. As you can see here. A bit more of a twist. I like the way it looks. I'm liking this. The material, again, same as the others. Very nice. And the set comes with a total of 4 of these. So, a good amount here. 2 of these. So they're not all the same. So some are for one side, some are for the other side. So they don't perfectly stack. They're just a bit different. One for each side, I'm imagining. So really you get a set of 2 of these and 2 of these per pack. All right. And let's take a look at the stickers here. Some of the flags. Okay, very nice. Very slight directions, how to put the track together here. So as you can see here, some of the longer turns right there, and then the 3 smaller ones. Straightaways, cross section, straightaways, mirrored on the other end. Very nice. Simple design, I like it. All right, and these are some of the stickers. I do like the checker pattern here. The flags. Nice Goodyear sponsor. Sunoco. Very nice. Alrighty, and that, my friends, is the NASCAR Crash Racers Figure 8 box unboxing. I hope you all enjoy the content, and thank you so much for watching. It's been an absolute pleasure. I will be working on some more unboxing, so do look out for that in the channel. I appreciate all of you, and stay tuned for more content.